I just not like I can't look at something triangularly and figure where it's gonna go. It doesn't matter. I'm not. That's why I don't do it.
Let me get up there.
You don't know how to do it, Donna.
I helped you the minute I came last time. You snapped it right in, you bitch ball.
Okay, then get over here. It just snapped in so easy when you know how to do it. Where the hell is this fucking thing going? Way in. It's something easy once you figure it out.
Yeah.
Here, give me. Stand up. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's how you do it, in there. I would get them both in, though. You can't push it. That's it. Just turn it. There you go. You're way down. This is up. It's up on top. You gotta go on the top layer. I see what you gotta do. Let me get in there.
See,
I know.
this
Let me get in
thing
there. Yeah, that's gotta get in that.
goes
That's
here.
it. Right. That's it. Now I got it. Oh yeah.
This thing goes here.
Stop.
All right. I see. This thing goes here. This thing goes here. Don't forget what the thing. It goes there. That thing goes there. Like how the hell does it get in there though?
Yeah.
How the hell could it possibly get in there?
No.
What?
No.
Oh, under here?
Yeah.
What the? There's no way it goes in like that. Oh, up like this maybe. That's it. There you go. There you go. You gotta go, you motherfucker. Ah! Got one in. Okay, you got one in. Okay, give me my arms. Come here. Hey, what are you doing? Press the button. They're both in there. Oh, definitely not both in. Oh, one's out.
Oh, fuck. Oh my god, this is ridiculous.
There, both in.
Clickety clack. Oh, you fucking nut.
Oh, clickety clack, oh, clickety clack. The old man died with a cork up his ass.
What did he do?
There it is. Look at her, she don't know what it does. There, what's wrong with that? You're just looking like that.
Yeah, show what it does. Boop. Show what it does.
Look, look, Maria. You gotta go like this and you gotta open them up. See this side here? It's like a... When you cut them, that's what happens.
I thought you broke it.
No.
Up under, yeah.
A bundabar, they call it.
Yeah.
That's gonna hurt them. There's a few more here.
Did you know that really?
Yeah.
We read it too. Okay. Uh-oh.
What?
Oh, there it is. It wasn't going up. What? What? Perfecto.
Make the other one even, will you?
What other one?
The one next to you. How many other ones
I
are
thought
there?
you meant the one I was working on.
Oh my god.
And fix those.
Yep.
These?
Yeah. And that. And these two. See these two?
Okay, shut the light and see how dark it is. Shut the door. Oh, wow. You get a headache, you come right in here. You just get the little shiny stuff coming around. Okay,
Yeah, you did that perfectly.
I did. It is perfect.
What do you say to your daddy? Get me the stool.
Thank
dude.
you.
Get me the stool.